Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Constant Contact services, complete guide step by step clearly. To activate Constant Contact services, begin by visiting the official Constant Contact website. Locate the Sign Up or Get Started button on the home page and click it. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Provide a strong password for your account and confirm it. Next, fill out the required information, including your name and business details. Once you complete the form, review the terms of service and privacy policy. If you agree, check the box indicating your consent. Click the Continue or Create Account button to proceed. You may need to verify your email address, so check your inbox for a verification email. Open the email and click the verification link included inside. After verifying your email, return to the Constant Contact website to log in. Once logged in, you will be guided through the setup process. Select the type of services you wish to activate, such as email marketing or social media tools. Follow the prompts to customize your account settings according to your business needs. Input your billing information when prompted to finalize your account setup. Review and confirm your subscription plan options. After completing the setup, you'll gain access to the Constant Contact dashboard. Explore the features available, including templates, contacts, and analytics. For additional support, visit the Help section on the Constant Contact website. You can now start using Constant Contact to grow your business effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.